What's going on, you guys? Epic Customs back at it, and in this episode we'll be doing a review and unboxing on the Nike High OGs, or the Jordan 1 High OG Taxis. Guys, I don't know if you guys can tell, we have the barcode right here, we have the information regarding the shoe itself, we have all the sizes. Obviously you got USA, Euro, UK, centimeters, and then you have our little barcode right here. Let's go ahead and start unboxing it itself. Now here's the actual pair upon inspecting it. You guys, there we go. Upon inspecting the actual shoe itself, I'll take this shoe off, put that on the side. It's a brand new shoe. I do not wear my pairs. I actually hold on to them for approximately 3 to 4 years, and then I can go ahead and I can start selling them later. Let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the inside. We got our information right here. Nothing too crazy, but that's little things to look for. Now, upon inspecting the inside, I am not going to be taking off the, well, you know what? Since we're talking about it, we might as well. Is for this specific pair, we go ahead and we have a tape that is actually on right there, covering the 3, or from what I'm telling, the 4 stitching. Now, a little bit upset of how the way the stitching looks on a real pair, to be honest with you. We have yellow stitching all above, all aboard right here. On the side, this is not a suede material. This is almost a leather material, if I'm not mistaken. You got our Air Jordan, yellow stitching all around from here, all the way through. Pretty nice. The thing is, you guys gotta always notice the stitching. Very important, you guys. A lot of the fakes don't have the same stitching as the real, although they try to imperfect it as much as they can, but it just doesn't go that way. Again, with the yellow stitching goes through. Again, this is not a suede type of material, almost like a leathery type of material, I'd want to say. On the top, white stitching going through the swoosh itself, and then there isn't any stitching from here or anywhere in the bottom itself. It should be glued. There isn't any stitching at the end, you know what I mean? Besides the white stitching. Same thing on this side. There's a little bit of a white. Again, this shoe's never been worn. First time ever, you know, even having my hands on the shoe. Upon inspecting that, just make sure when looking at it, it should all, you know, be all equal. Shouldn't all be together. Again, it's not a suede material. It is just a regular material. Nothing too crazy regarding that. You know, a tad bit with a mixture of a black stitching also. This shoe honestly would fit great when it comes to getting worn out. Let me get a little closer. Anything with jeans, this shoe would look awesome. I'm not even kidding with you guys. One of my favorites on that. But upon everything else, you guys, shoe does look great. Now, I'm probably gonna end up just putting it on my feet just to show you guys how it would look. This is one of my favorite parts. It is almost like it is a leather material, really nice leather material. It's got its weight. Definitely, this is a size 10.5, you guys. It's got its weight. It's looks great. Personally, my personal. If you guys can like, comment, subscribe, that would mean the world to me. If you guys want to see other different pairs that I will do reviews on, I can be more than happy to do that. There are some pairs, obviously, I can get my hands on, and I hope you guys would, you know, grab a pair, because I personally, as you guys can tell, I personally grabbed myself a pair because I love those shoes. I look at those shoes as collectibles. They are great, and they're personally one of my favorite. So again, I appreciate you guys watching. That means the world to me, guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful